Chapter 5. Recent Developments in Banking. CHOSMate. Page. Internet Banking. Meaning of Internet Banking. Online banking, also known as Internet banking, e-banking, or virtual banking, is an electronic payment system that enables customers to have a bank to conduct a range of financial transactions through the bank's website. Features of Internet banking are 1. Viewing account balances. 2. Viewing recent transactions. 3. Downloading bank statements. 4. Ordering checkbooks, etc. Advantages. 1. Online account is simple and easy to operate. 2. It is available all the time, 24xt. 3. Funds get transferred from one all to another very fast. 14. It keeps to your account safe. 15. You can track your transactions and ALC balance all time. Disadvantages. 1. Understanding the usage of Internet banking might be difficult for a beginner. 2. You cannot have access to online banking if you do not have an internet connection. 3. Account information might get hacked through internet. 4. If someone get your password and ID, they may misuse it. 5. Internet banking cannot use in case of banker's server is down. 12. 81. Mana, Abhimanavanu. Saru Halita. Mobile banking. Meaning of mobile banking. Mobile meek banking is a service provided by a bank that allows its customers to conduct a range of financial transactions remotely using a mobile device, like mobile phone or to tablet, and using software, usually called an app, provided by the financial institution, bank. Features of mobile banking are 1. Account information. 2. Transaction. 3. Investments. 4. Support. Advantages. 1. Mobile banking uses the network of service provider and it doesn't need internet connection. 2. Mobile banking is available all time the 24th of July 365. 3. It is easy and convenient for many mobile users. 4. Mobile banking is said to be more secured and risk-free than online internet banking. Block ATM. 5. In mobile banking you can pay bills, transfer funds, etc. Disadvantages. Though the security threat is less than internet banking. 2. In mobile banking users receive fake message asking for their bank details, and fall into trap, and keypads. 3. Mobile banking can be used in smartphones only. Connet. 14. Regular use of mobile banking may lead to extra charges. 5. Mobile phones are limited in processing speeds and battery life. CHOSMate. Phone banking. Meaning of phone banking. Telephone banking is a service provided by a bank that enables customers to perform a range of financial transactions over the telephone, without the NAD. To visit bank branch or ATM. Features of phone banking are 1. Obtaining account balances. 2. List of latest transactions. 3. Electronic bill payments. 14. Funds transfers. Operation. To use bank's telephone banking facility, a customer must first register with the institution for the service. 2. They would be assigned a customer number and they may provide or set up password for verification. 3. To access telephone banking, the customer would call a special phone number set up by the bank. 4. The service can be provided by automated man system. 5. After calling the number, they would have begged to enter on the keypad the customer number and password. Adhika Savaraya. Debit card. Meaning of debit card. A debit card is a plastic card that provides cardholders electronic access to their bank account at a bank. Advantages. 1. Easy to obtain. 2. Convenience. 3. Safety. 4. Readily accepted. 1. Easy to obtain. Once you open an account, most banks will issue you a B debit card upon request. 2. Convenience. Purchases can be made by swiping the card rather than filling out a paper check. 3. Safety. You don't have to carry cash or checkbook. 4. Readily accepted. When out of town, debit cards are usually widely accepted. Disadvantages. 1. Fees. 1. Fees. Using your debit card for ATM transactions may be costly if the ATM is not affiliated with your bank. 2. Less protection. Most banks try to protect customers' debit card fraud. Even there are cases of frauds. 13. More spend. When transactions are done online and we swiping will spend more and more than usually required. 4. Checkbook balancing. Balancing your account may be difficult unless you record every B debit card transaction. ININ. Chosmate. Page. Credit card. Meaning of credit card. Credit card is a payment card issued to users for payment. It allows to pay for goods and services based on the cardholder's promise to pay them back. In this case, bank grants a line of credit to the cardholder. Advantages. 1. Purchase power and ease of purchase. Credit cards make it easier to buy things. If the company doesn't accept cash purchases, you can purchase through credit cards. 2. Protection of purchases. If purchased product is lost, then some credit card companies offer insurance on large purchases. 3. Building a credit line. Having a good credit history is often important in making payments on time and in full. 4. Emergencies. Credit cards can also be useful in times of emergency, while you should avoid spending outside budget. 5. Credit card benefits. CA. Credit cards allow in many benefits, like travel discounts, store discount aid and special insurance, etc. Disadvantages. 1. High interest rates. Credit card companies charge high interest rate if you don't pay off at the end of each month. 2. Credit card fraud. Like cash, sometimes credit cards are be stolen or credit card number and use your card to nets. Tack up. 3. Blowing your budget. The biggest disadvantage is that they encourage people to spend more money that they don't have. 14. F. Difference between credit card and debit card. 2. BASTs. Debit card, credit card, moaning. 2. Source of funds. Your saving bank A, C or current ALC. 3. Spending. You can only spend how much have you. 4. Bill. No bill or statement. Annual fees SP PIN. 5. Fees EP. Charges. Regeneration fees. 6. Interest. 7. Lost card geobility. No interest charge. Protection is minimal. Funds extended by card issuer. Can spend more, what you have. You get a bill or statement each month. Join fees, annual fees, late payment fee. Increased charge for non-payment on due date. 1001 Lost liability protection. Chosmate. Electronic fund transfer, EFT. EFT is the electronic transfer of money from one bank account to another, either within a single bank or across multiple banks, through computer-based systems and without the direct intervention of bank staff. Real-time gross settlement, RTGS, which means that it enables money to move from one bank to another on a real-time and gross basis. Real-time means beneficiary bank receives the instruction for fund transfer immediately, and gross means that it is not bunched with any other transaction. Payments are final and irrecoverable. National Electronic Funds Transfer, NEFT. NEFT is a payment system which facilitates one-to-one funds transfer. Like RTGS, NEFT also transfers funds from one bank, but unlike RTGS, NEFT settlement takes place in batches rather than individually. The batches are settled in hourly time salts. Magnetic Link Character Reader, MICR, services. MICR code is a character recognition technology used mainly by the banking industry to ease the processing and clearance of checks and other documents. The MICR encoding, called the MALR line, is of the bottom of chokes and other vouchers. Typically includes type indicator, bank code, bank all number, check AMT, and control indicator. The technology allows MICR readers to scale.NE and read the information directly into a data collection device. Unlike barcodes and similar technologs, SMICR character can be read easily by humans. BASTs: 1. Settlement. 2. Full form. RTGS: real-time, faster. National Electronic Fund Transfer. 3. Timing on Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. 4. Timings on Saturday, 9 a.m. 1 to 300 p.m. Minimum AMT of 5. Money transfer limit, 2 locks, -6. Maximum AMT of. Money limit. Transfer. No limit. Rs. 0.25 to 30. 2-5 lakh rupees, 50 to 55 5 lakhs above. Maximum charges plus as per RBJ. Suitable. 4. Small money transfer. NEFT. Done in batches, slower. Real-time gross. EAT settlement. 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. No minimum. No limit. Up to 10,002 rupees and 50 paise. 10,001 I took Rs. 1-2 lakh rupees. 15. Age above 2 lakhs -25. Large money transfer. Classmate date T page. Electronic Clearing Service, FCS. FCS is an electronic mode of payment, receipt for transactions that are repetitive and periodic in nature. ECS is used by institutions for making bulk payment of amounts towards distribution of dividend, interest, salary, pension, etc. for collections of amounts towards telephone, electricity, water dues, cost, tax collections, loan installments, insurance premium, etc. Or, essentially, FCS facilitates bulk transfer of from one bank ALC to many bank accounts or money vice versa. ECS is operated by National Payments Corporation of India, VPCI. Small banks, meaning of small banks. Small finance banks are financial intend to fund the financial needs of basic banking institutions that the underprivileged sections through activities. There are 10 small financodas, some of them are mentioned below. Banks in India. 1. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. 2. Janalakshmi Small Finance Bank. 3. Capital Small Finance Bank. 4. Suryoday Small Finance Bank. 5. ESAF Small Finance Bank, etc. C. Mulaka Sa. Payment banks. Meaning of payment banks. A payments bank is like any other bank, but operating on a small scale without involving any credit risk. In other words, Payment Bank 18 can carry out most banking operations but can't advance loans or issue credit cards. Examples: Bharti Airtel launched India's first payment bank named Airtel Payments Bank in March 2017. Paytm Payment Bank, India Post Payments Bank, etc. Y. E-payments. Meaning of e-payments. E-payments stands for electronic payments. It is a digital transaction between two parties. Essentially, one can utilize electronic payment methods to transfer funds as an alternative to cash payments. Examples: credit cards, debit cards, virtual cards, and ACH, direct deposit, direct debit, and electronic checks, etc. 26. Classmate. Page. E-services. Meaning of F-services. F-services stands for electronic services, which make use of information and communication technologies, ICTS. There are three main components of e-services are: 1. Service provider. 2. Service receiver. 3. The channels of service delivery. Technology. Importance of e-services are: 1. Accessing a greater customer base. 2. Alternative communication channel to customers. 3. Increasing services to customers. 14. Gaining competitive advantage. 5. Potential for increasing customer knowledge.